not in control of this life that I'm living. I'm just gonna stay alive in it until my day is called.
Imagine losing your wife, 2 children, your home, and everything you owned. It's a living nightmare that James Jarmon knows all too well. His family died 6 months ago in the July floods that raged through central Texas, and now Jarmon, known as JJ, is working to rebuild in the place where the memories of his family will forever live on. Homebuilder Sterling Creek Homes and his friends are doing a fundraiser to help rebuild his home, and the goal is to raise $400,000. If you would like to help JJ, we have a link to the fundraiser on our website, kview.com.